Hello everyone. Welcome to the tenorshare channel. It's phone upgrade season again. Maybe you got a new flagship or you're updating a spare phone. But moving all your data, does it always stress you out? Don't worry, this video will help you fix that. Before we start, drop a like. I'll share everything you need, no holding back. Let's dive in. Method 1. Use Smart Switch to transfer data. If your new phone is a Samsung, then Smart Switch is hands down the easiest option. Here's what you do. First, make sure Smart Switch is on both devices. Download and open Smart Switch on both phones. On your old phone, tap Send Data. On your new one, tap Receive Data. You can use Wi-Fi or a cable. We're going with Wi-Fi here. Next, use your old phone to scan the QR code on your new phone to connect. After scanning, wait for about 2 minutes to establish the connection. Once connected, you can choose to transfer all your data or select specific items like accounts, call logs, contacts, and messages. You can also pick individual files. After making your selection, tap Next. Then decide whether to set it up as a new phone and the transfer will begin. This might take a little time, and once it's done, you can check to confirm everything transferred successfully. If both phones are Samsung or support this tool, it's super fast and requires zero extra setup. Method 2. Transfer data from Android to Android with Google. Using Google to transfer data is also very convenient. Suitable for those who have changed to different brands of mobile phones or like cloud synchronization. First, let's take Samsung as an example. On the old phone, open Settings and find the Account and Backup option. Then back up your data to Google and make sure that the data has been synchronized to the Google Cloud. After the backup is complete, log into the same Google account on the new phone and click the Sync Account option. You can also choose the data you want to transfer. If you are changing to a different brand of mobile phone or want to save important data for a long time, this method is invincible and easy to use. If you want to transfer data from Android to iPhone, if you've switched to iPhone, don't panic. I recommend iTransGo. It moves data directly without resetting your iPhone. Supports transfer between Android and iOS, and it's super easy to use. You can get it from the link in the description. Okay, the above is all the content of this video. If this video helped, make sure to like and share it with friends who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.